In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use smart values in Jira automation to build dynamic workflows. Let's start by getting into the right workspace. Open your preferred web browser and go to your Atlassian site. Then sign in through your normal secure login if needed. Once you're on the main dashboard, open the project you want to work in. From there, look to the left-hand sidebar, scroll down to Project Settings, and then click Automation. This opens the automation area where you can build and manage your rules. Once you're inside the automation builder, head to the top right corner and click Create Rule. For this example, choose a trigger like Issue Transitioned. Then configure it so the rule runs when an issue moves from in progress to QA review. This gives your automation a clear event to react to, which is the foundation for everything else in the rule. Now let's cover the key concept behind smart values. Jira uses mustache-style syntax, which means dynamic values must be wrapped in double curly brackets. This is how Jira knows you want to pull live issue data instead of plain text. When you need to reference a specific property, use dot notation inside the brackets. For example, if you want to insert the issue key, type /issue.key. That simple format is the basis for almost every smart value you'll use. Next, add an action such as comment on issue or send Slack message. In the text editor, combine normal language with smart values to create a dynamic message. A good example would be a message that includes the issue key, the issue summary, and the reporter's display name. This makes your notifications feel specific and useful instead of generic and repetitive. You can also use smart values for dates and formatting. If you want Jira to automatically set a due date 5 business days from now, add an issue update action, choose the due date field, and enter /now plus business days. Format YMMD. Jira will calculate the date for you, skip weekends, and format it correctly for the field. If you don't want to memorize these values, use the built-in Smart Values Help panel. In many Jira text fields, you'll see a small icon that looks like curly brackets. Click it and Jira opens a searchable panel with categories like issues, dates, and users. It's a fast way to insert the right syntax without leaving the page. Finally, turn the rule on, test it with a sample issue, and then open the audit log. This is where you confirm that your smart values resolved properly, your date logic worked, and the rule completed without errors. Once you get comfortable with this process, Jira automation becomes much more flexible, reliable, and powerful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.